The Daily Life of Janice by Aisha Al-Ka'bi. Her name is Janice. She was born in UK, but she lives in LA. She is married and she has 2 children. She works in the library at college and she was teaching for students which is vocabulary. More than I will talk about daily routine for her job. She is an independent learning coordinator. She starts her work from 7:30 to 3:30 in the afternoon. She is hardworking and sometimes she doesn't have a break. She has a class for students because she wants to help and to learn more knowledge. She likes her co-worker. I found some information about her job from the internet. For example, the education needed for this job: Master of Science and teaching English as a second language. Salaries in different countries. For example, in UAE is 72,000 and Spanish is 2,176